Hello YouTube, this is Dar from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with the haul for Tuesday morning. So let's see, this week they had a lot of Faith Illustrated, Dear Lizzy, BoBunny, a lot of BoBunny stamps. If you missed them the first time, they are out again, as well as the papers and the paper ephemera, the breads, a whole bunch of stuff. Same thing with the Faith Illustrated. So I picked one up for me and one for another person, and this is a 47 piece set. And it's called Tabby's Atom Mix, and it's $119, 2059-313. And as I mentioned in my other videos, just in case the order may not be the same, the store is getting rid of the ability to look up the SKU number for you while you are in the store. You have to use the product hotline number, which eventually they say may be fading away. They're not sure about that, but the store itself is not allowed to look up your products for you to let you know if there's in the store. They can only give you a store number. That's per corporate, according to what they told me. This recipe card, which I may own, I gotta check, 2050-969 for $2.99. I can't remember if I got that one. They had several of the Illustrated Faith packs out, and I think I put them all on my Instagram. It's like 3 different ones. This is the acetate. These are 6x8, and it's 2059-317. You can see the acetate right there. That was a terrible flip. But hold on. You know, you don't never have any. Where are my scissors? Okay. I shouldn't use my scissors for this, but check out the papers if you're looking at some of the papers. These you can make with acetate. You can make boxes, tags, different things like that with it. Alright. XO on it. It's kind of hard to see them because they are clear. Love. You can cut out the images up here. I love that abstract look right there. It's pretty good. And they have the paper line that matches this. So it's repeating. Yeah. I passed this up the very first time this came out about 3 weeks ago. I looked at it and I put it down and I forgot to pick it back up. But I'm glad I went back and got it. I was watching Linda's video and Kendra, and they both had it too, and I said, oh yeah, I do need to get back and get that. I left it. I totally left it. But these are the watercolor brushes, and I like using these. They are easy to use. This is 203-7090 for $9.99. This is Vicki Boutin's. They have different tips. Mine all have the same type of tips, so these have different tips and different sizes so that you can make your size the same. So that's pretty cool because I only have one tip. So that gives you some variety of watercoloring. These are the BoBunny brands. They have different colors. Even though I'm not a pink girl, I do have papers that fit this. I got the pink one, and then I saw some brown and some other color at another store, but I'd already gotten this one. 205-7464. Does it say how many pieces? 36. Different sizes. They almost look like earrings or buttons, but they're brads. You do a lot with that. This is the Illustrated Faith. Oh, wait a minute. I just realized it says quantity 3 for $1.19. But why? Oh, they gave me 3 of these washi stickers. 205-9311. Unless it's supposed to come this way. I don't know. The Hampton art. Huh. Well, I will put one of these with my stuff for my giveaway. So these are washi. Well, this last page is just stickers. It says Shine Faith Girl. Wait a minute. I didn't even realize they had given me a pack of 3. So I will share. Cool. Alright. So anyway, or maybe it came that way. I don't know, because it says 3. But anyway, so scripture, shine, faith girl, prayerful. That's some of the washi. Joy and gladness. You got some musical notes. So then it repeats. So you can even take these sheets out and give a person a sheet or give them a whole pack like that. So it's a neat way to do that. Okay, cool. Then this was one of the, this has been out. This is not new, but it's just back again, floating again. And I decided to get, this is the Rosette. And I got to double check. I don't think I had this one. This mixed media one. It says Rosette's 5 dies, 2047306. And just like it shows, the little 3 different sides of the rosettes. So 3 scallops and then 2 sets of banners that you can make some rosettes out of. This little Dear Lizzy word set I thought was kind of cute. It's 148 stickers, 2057296. They have alphas on the back. I don't know if it's just that one sheet. Yeah. So it says things like, sorry about the noise. Enjoying the journey. Be darling. This is my happy place right here, right now. I must have flowers always and always. Sunshine equals happiness. The dream is real. Everything I never want to forget. Cool. Life is a party. Let's go everywhere. Live colorfully. Pleased as a punch. Stay wild. Summer is a state of mind. So just interesting odd sayings. La la land. All day, every day. Noteworthy. And then I got a couple more of the Sheena dies. And this one is a winter scene. 2047326. So you got an old barren tree and then you got some evergreens in the background. And that's the example that they used. And that's what it looks like in the back. And that's in comparison to my hand, so you can see. Nice size. Only about 3 inches tall. With my finger, yeah. But I like that you can build a scene quickly. This is the Christmas deer. And this goes with the stamp Wishes of the Season. This goes with the stamp Festive Greetings. So and this one is 2047319. But I think this one you can get away with without having to have the stamp. It look better with the stamp, of course. But you still can do that nicely. Cut that deer off. Put anything in there. I heard Kendra from 504 Pretty Things say put a swing in there. Make it a summer scene. You can put some leaves on it. Make it more summery. But you can just do whatever. You can put a village in here as well. So you can make it a shaker. Whoops. I did get this window by Crafted Paint because I don't have a window like that. And it's 5-piece. So it is $199.5429 for $649. But so it just has the 4 window panels and the 4 leaves and the window itself. So the leaves count as the 4 pieces in the window itself. So that's how that looks. But again, a couple inches. It's about 4.5 inches. Need to double check if I don't have this one, but it says You Mean the World to Me, 2-piece set, 2047581. I think this one I don't have. I have some other ones. That's all the different sentiments. I gotta just make sure I don't have this one. But looking at it, I want to say no, I don't. But again, fit your A2 cards quickly. You want to make a card in a pinch. And you can color it with your inks, sprays, or you can layer it. Okay. Why is it making noise? Oh, that piece is in here. I need to check and see if I have this BoBunny stamp set. It's quotation 2050955 because I know I did buy quotation 1. And I'm kind of wondering if this is the one I have. It says, You are my moon and stars. There are 100 languages, but a smile speaks them all. Every job is as special as the self-portrait of the person who does it. Autograph your work with excellence. That is so nice. Employees need that. Remember that you're the one who can fill the world with sunshine. Life doesn't have to be perfect to be wonderful. So I just thought they were nice quotes. And then I got this last Inkadinkado stamp, which is weird because he checked this, which is weird because he went through this one and checked this one too to make sure it wasn't more than one because he was thinking it was so huge that maybe it was priced different. And so I guess maybe this is priced the correct way then because I don't know. Anyway, this is $1.49, 205-3109, and I'm sure you've seen it. This is the Inkadinkado, just some rubber stamps. But again, it's very masculine, gears, cogs, wheels, whatever you want to call them. You could do a lot of different things with it. You know, this could be used, like different things could go in each one of those wheels. It could be a thinking wheel, life wheel. It could be all kinds of different things that you could use that for. But I'm using it as a masculine type theme card. If I were to use it, that would be background stamps for that. Or just some using steampunk. Just all kinds of different things. Inspiration, you're thinking of something, figuring things out. So I thought it was a fun stamp set to have. And I know there's another bag, but that's it for right now. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless.